Marjariasana, or cat pose, is a fundamental yoga asana that involves moving between a flexed and extended spine position. On your hands and knees, this pose promotes flexibility and strength in the spine. Now let's explore how to do this yoga asana. Go to all four position with your knees, hip width apart, and wrists in line with your shoulders. Inhale, and with an exhale, curve your back, tuck your tailbone in, drawing your pubic bone forward, and bring your chin to chest. Inhale to go back to neutral position. Marjariasana is often used in conjunction with cow pose, Bitilasana, as part of a flowing sequence. It engages the abdominal muscles, improves coordination, and enhances the flexibility of the neck and shoulders. Incorporate cat pose into your routine to warm up the spine, release tension, and improve overall spinal health. Join us at Yoga World as we explore the myriad benefits of yoga asanas for a balanced and rejuvenated body and mind. Namaste.